Why you want to expose your cell phone, your very expensive cell phone like this, if you can have this, right?
Hi everyone, are you ready to race? Today, this iconic KTM motorcycle is the next motorbike to receive a Carpuride Smart Screen upgrade. Remember, Carpuride Smart Screen now fits on any motorcycle due to their different mounting options. So today, Peter will be fitting the W602 Carpuride Smart Screen on this beautiful KTM 390 Adventure motorcycle. Let's ramble on.
So this is the latest Carpuride W602S Pro, which is specifically for non-BMW motorcycles. So if your motorcycle doesn't have a BMW navigation, or if it's any other motorcycle brand, this will be the one. So the 602S Pro is the new 6-inch screen. So what do you get in the box? So here's the Carpuride, a 6-inch screen. Very nice. I really like this size. We tested a bit on Adele's bike and it's very nice. That's the screen. You get all the brackets that you need. You get a quick connect and you get this key. So it will work the same way as the BMW quick connect. Select it like that. There it is. If you press it, it just comes loose like that. So quick connect, which makes this very nice, easy to take off your bike. It also comes with a remote control for quick functions, more rubbers and brackets, more bolts. This is a mounting bracket if you have a round bar, which is actually very nice to have. This is your RAM mount. This is your spare fuse, spare key. You also get this USB charge cable, so you can plug this in and you can play with it while it's not on the bike, if you need to do that. And last but not the least, you get the manual, so to explain everything very nicely to you. Okay, so let's start with the installation. Okay, so getting rid of this cell phone bracket. What's nice is this guy already got a very nice mounting bracket. It's specifically for KTM motorcycles, the bracket, and it's very solid, so it will make the installation very easy. We're just going to mount the Carpuride right onto that bracket. Just mounting the RAM. Here you have it. Very simple. Okay, so we removed the saddle and there's the battery. So we just have to take this power cable, wire it to the battery and back to the head unit there. Okay. Ja, je gaat het. Ja. Okay. There you go. Let's switch on. Okay. Very easy to set up. Go to Bluetooth. Connections. Bluetooth. And just available devices. There's Carpuride. Select it. Passkey, pair, course S 2022. That's it, and it goes straight to your Android Auto. Say continue. There you go. Easy as, soos die kiewie sê.
Easy as.
Easy as. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, very easy to set up and everything, and you have all the apps that you have on your phone, you will have there as well. So now you can put your phone in your pocket, and then this is a new interface. I must still see how you, oh there it is. So you got mountings, which is, I don't know why they call it mountings, but that's your compass. That's how you get back. You will see on your phone that it connects also for Wi-Fi, so that it can do all the functions. So while riding, it's actually on a Wi-Fi with your phone directly. Okay. Bluetooth. This one is your auto brightness. So you can put it on manual and you can adjust it. But if you put it auto, it will work according to light the sensitivity of the light. A remote control, so you can press home. I press phone here, so it goes to your contacts. You can phone somebody. You can go back home. Yeah, that's basically it. Like it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so you got this quick release. So when you park your bike and you want to make sure nobody takes your Carpuride, so plug it in like that and you click it and it comes loose. And you take this and you put it in your pocket, so nobody can steal it or take it away. And to put it back on, it's just straightforward. Just click it like that. Okay, good. And there you go, that's the Carpuride installed on a KTM 390 Adventure. So now your cell phone is inside your pocket and you don't have to worry about, you know, expensive cell phone on the bike, because you got a Carpuride here. And yeah, I think the bracket is a bit shaky. I'll advise him to get another bracket. He had the same issue on Adele's bike on a 310. The bracket was not great. So why do you want to have an expensive cell phone on your bike if you can have this, right? Look at all the different functions. You got your remote there, and you can select and you can play music, and you can take a phone call. There you go, taking a phone call, or you can just go back to Android Auto. And you got a quick release, so you can very easily disconnect it if you have to take it away. You don't want to leave it on the bike. Okay guys, and there you go, installed, and it was super easy to install.
Wow, it really looks great on this KTM. Remember, the Carpuride comes in a 5, 6 and 7 inch screen size options. So, and if you follow the link in the description below, you can get up to a 32% discount. So why don't you get your Carpuride today?
Let's ramble on.